Alright people, so I haven't done videos in a while. and we're doing a really cool remodel right now. We're doing our master bathroom in Haunted Mansion. And I've been ordering all kinds of cool stuff, and I haven't filmed any of it. So I will show you the bathroom and what it looks like here later on. But I just got a really cool package in, so let's open it up. It's a pretty good size. So this is going to be part of the bathroom. I'm doing an unboxing real fast. I haven't done a video in a long time. I just told everybody I haven't uploaded forever. Ava's looking at me like I'm crazy, like I'm in here talking to myself. But no, I'm talking to all you people. Right, Ava? I know. She wants KFC for dinner. I haven't decided yet. Because I made burgers yesterday, so I was going to have a burger. But, woo! There's lots of foam. Foam in here. Foam bits and pieces. So now I'm going to have to clean this up. Man, I don't know if it's going to come out. It's a big old giant. I'm struggling here, guys. I'm struggling, Ava. Alright. God dang it. Alright, I'm going to have to turn this upside down. And dump it out. It's definitely packed well. Ooh. Man, this might be too big for the bathroom. Drum roll, please. I have been looking at this thing on the internet for a long time. It's a wall hanging gargoyle. It looks like, look at that, it came broken. So I'm gonna have to message them, and they're gonna have to send me another one because that's crap, because this thing was super expensive. So, alright, there's my unboxing of the cool broken gargoyle. Catch you guys later.